Welcome to this guided meditation. Find yourself a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily, allowing the body to become heavy. Take a moment and notice how your body feels, becoming aware of any tension in the body. And now becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing. And then just allowing your focus to settle on where you notice the movement of the breath most clearly. Perhaps in the nostrils or the abdomen, where the breath rises and falls. Let this become the anchor for your attention. Now, following the flow of the breath, all the way from the start of inhalation through to the very end of exhalation. From time to time, you'll notice that your attention becomes distracted. You may notice resistance or boredom as you sit. It's common that we feel restless and want to get up from meditation practice. Try to stay with this feeling of boredom or restlessness. Try to sit with openness and attentiveness. Before bringing your attention back to the flow of your breath, focusing again on the feeling of each breath as it flows in and out. Relax your focus now, just noticing how you feel. Letting the mind rest completely now, doing whatever it wants to do. If it wants to focus, allow it to focus. If it wants to relax, then let it relax. And as we approach the ending of our practice, bringing your attention back to the space around you. Noticing the pressure of the body resting on the ground or chair beneath you. Slowly bringing movement back into the body. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation and found it helpful. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too. For new meditations and more, subscribe to this channel. And just maintaining that mindful awareness as you move into the rest of your day.